this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple chia and lemon fat burner drink that will naturally aid in weight loss, help to burn body fat, increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, detox your body of harmful toxins, help against feeling bloated or fatigued so that you can go on with your day, whilst also providing excellent nutritional values to aid in weight loss and improve your immune system. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple chia and lemon fat burner drink as part of a regular diet at least 5 times a week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under an hour. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 4 simple ingredients that are easily accessible, and you will literally have them around your home. These ingredients are 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of organic honey, and a glass of water. Okay, first off, the first thing to do will be to place the chia seeds in a bowl of water and leave it to sit for at least an hour. In this time the water will be absorbed by the seeds, and it will actually leave everything looking like a gel-like texture. And while that is setting, you can also squeeze the juice from a lemon and just pour it into a cup and just leave it until everything else is ready to go. And once everything has been prepared, you can begin by adding all the contents to a blender and mix everything until you have a consistent texture, making sure to add the honey and so forth to the contents. And once everything has been mixed, you can place everything into a jar or a container and leave it in the fridge overnight. For the most effective results with this drink, make sure to have a glass first thing in the morning as soon as you get up on an empty stomach. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps detox the body, help with losing stubborn belly fat while also improving digestion, to help alleviate bloatedness, acid reflux or feeling fatigued, and you will start to see results in as little as 14 days. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it tastes. That will get your morning off to the perfect start while also satisfying your appetite and leaving you feeling fully energized. So if you're looking also for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and have more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future videos, and as always, thanks for watching.